Hi, all, and welcome to another podcast. So, the topic for today's podcast will be 5 different ways you can make money as a developer while you sleep. Okay, don't expect blogging, medium, YouTube in this particular thing, okay, because I have already created one podcast on the same. Let's face it, today's generation works a lot. Before we can acquire a job as a developer, we must first do an unpaid or paid internship, okay? But we must also enjoy our lives, take care of our parents, and remember that inflation is increasing. So we should always try to earn more. To get rich, you have to be making money while you are asleep also. Okay, this is the quote from David Bailey. The most effective method is to generate money while you sleep, and the online industry is making it possible. It does not imply that you must develop many side hustles, as each one needs time and effort. Furthermore, you never know if a certain side hustle will thrive or fail. So try to create that what you love and what you want. So let's get started. Okay, the first one, earning with Canva. Some of my friends designs website in Figma or Adobe XD, and the majority of them have no idea that we may utilize Canva template and adapt them or suit our need. Later, some of my friends tried it, and their work became significantly less. They can earn more money by selling to their client because they can easily create design in Canva. Let me tell you about another event with a website agency. I worked with a graphics designer who worked for less than 3 hours per day. I asked him, and he told me that he has a Canva Pro subscription, so whenever he needed to create something, he went to Canva. The next one is by selling template on Canva. Well, do you know who creates template in Canva? Designer like us. There's a page called Canva Creator where you can apply, and if accepted can money by selling template on Canva. They are currently only collaborating with few creators. If you know how to design, you can apply. You will receive an email from the Canva team at the same point. I also tried it out, but it didn't work for me. I have spoken with some folk that make money by teaching Canva to their customers. The second point is Code Cannon. You know how to code and create websites, templates, WordPress plugins, and other things. You may then utilize Code Cannon. It is one of the most effective websites for selling the work. Most new babies attempt to create a website for their practice and then delete it. Instead, you can improve it and then sell it on Code Cannon. Don't anticipate making a lot of money, but it will help you make money on a continuous basis. Similarly, you can visit various platforms such as Gitmarket. Okay. The third thing which you can do is like live streaming. I subscribe to several YouTube channels such as Clever Programmer who educates others and earn money through live streaming. Similarly, I have several pals that live stream on Twitch and can earn money from it. So if you have something unique to teach, you can live broadcast it on network such as YouTube and Twitch. The fourth is crypto, DeFi, NFT, and virtual lands. I'm not a part of this segment for now, okay, but definitely in the future I'm trying to explore it out. Most developers work in the top tech companies and even startups, so they can grasp technology like crypto and stock easily. As a result, the majority of developers will be able to produce anything connected to crypto, NFT, and other trending technologies. You may also be aware that there is a lot of buzz surrounding NFTs, DeFis, and virtual land. And don't forget about the newest metaverse innovation. You can also learn blockchain technology for this purpose and develop a service that the majority people require. As a result of which, if you are a developer, you have an advantage in learning about new technologies and earning money from it. The fifth point is selling the product. You may be familiar with Amazon KDP, Redbubble, ETSY, and other marketplaces where people sell their product in order to make money every time someone buys them, and we call it as affiliate marketing also. My friend Aditya, okay, advised me to write an 80 to 100 page book and just send it to Amazon KDP, and I tried it, and you will be surprised to learn that I get commission from the Kindle every month. Okay, my friend are also doing Twitter following, okay, had also published his first book, okay, for free, and now he is getting a majority of paid customer on his platform, okay. So this is also one of the things out, okay, which you can try, okay. The other part is like you can start creating a small application on a Google Play Store, okay. You can create pretty simple application also. There are pretty vast technologies out there using which you can create a Android applications or iOS application. And if you want to go for hybrid, then you always have a platform support like Flutter, okay. You can invest your time learning Flutter. You can develop your app or get it developed from anyone, okay, if you think your idea is making a count. Once it get live, you can run ads on the same, and then you can earn tons of money out of it, okay. So let's wrap up, okay. Trying to make money and creating a side hustle may take a lot of time and efforts. However, starting with a single side hustle and gradually increasing it will allow you to make more. You will be able to schedule your day and work on whatever you choose. If you have a few side hustles, you too have a say over what you do, okay. Then it's just a matter of living your life. So I hope this particular podcast will help you out, okay, in getting started with some passive income in your career, okay. So that's all for today's podcast. Hope you like it out, okay. Please like, follow, subscribe to my channel to get the updates on such podcasts in the future. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and have a nice day. Thank you.